Some outfits don't look bad. They just quietly make us look older without us even realizing it. Today I'm breaking down 7 clothing mistakes that can instantly age your look, and the simple swaps that make everything feel fresher, lighter, and more modern. Stick around to the end. My bonus tip is one that you are not going to want to miss. The first offender that might be aging us without us even realizing it are heavy, shapeless cardigans. They add bulk and they hide your natural shape. Why do they age us? Because there is no structure and there is no definition or lift. But I have a simple, easy swap for you. Instead, use lightweight layering pieces or a softly tailored blazer. And choose vibrant colors, especially for the spring and summer. And even in the fall and winter, choose vibrant colors that are just a little richer and deeper, the tones that we usually pick in the fall and winter. I love this cardigan. It's by Amazon Essentials. I have 3 of them now. I just recently purchased this beautiful soft pink, and these cardigans are very affordable and they are totally worth the price. They are well made for the cost. Number 2 is something that I think a lot of women are guilty at some point in their life. I know that I have been in the past, and when you know better, you do better. And I'm talking about bras that are old, stretched out, or out of shape. Worn out bras are no longer your friend because they can no longer offer the support that we need, especially as we age, because everything starts to droop and sag. They age us because they change your posture and they flatten your natural shape, which often affects how clothes sit. And it kind of gives off the vibe that you just don't care. So it's really important, if you can, get professionally fitted at least once a year, because I have found from my own experience, anytime that I have a weight fluctuation up or down, or maybe you've had surgery, things just seem to shift as we age. So I recommend getting a proper bra fitting and doing that at least once a year, because I think 90% of women out there are wearing the incorrect bra size. And once you find the correct size for you, everything is going to look so much better on you, because a good bra will lift the girls up, will give you support, it's going to be comfortable, and it's going to define your silhouette. And by wearing the proper size and type of bra, you are automatically going to look 10 pounds slimmer, simply because once the breasts are lifted up off of your belly, that's going to create the illusion of a natural waistline. So ladies, clean out that bra drawer and invest in some bras that are going to work for you. And I will link to 3 of my current favorite bras that I wear on rotation every day. I don't wear the same bra on repeat. I usually skip a day. They just say that you should let your bra rest for a day. My absolute favorite right now is this brand new one from SPANX. It does have underwire, but they do have other options, and I really like it because it really does a great job of pulling the girls up, pointing them in the right direction, giving me the support that I need, and I don't even feel that I'm wearing the bra. But if underwire is not your thing, they do have other bras without underwire, and I can link to their bra page and you can go check them out. I'm also going to link to my favorite Chantelle bras and my favorite go-to everyday Wacoal bra. The next thing that might be aging us without us even realizing it is outdated stiff denim with no stretch or movement. Rigid jeans that feel boxy and are uncomfortable. Why does this age you? Because it just makes your whole outfit look really heavy and dated. So in order to look more modern and a little more youthful, swap out the stiff denim for soft, modern denim with a bit of stretch and a natural drape. You know, you have to find the brand that works the best for you. I myself am not a huge denim wearer because I have never really liked wearing denim. I have never found it to be that comfortable. However, I have 2 different brands that I'm going to recommend to you that are my go-tos. So one is very budget friendly. It's from Amazon and the brand is Angels Are Forever. I think that's the proper name. But I love these jeans. The denim is very lightweight, so it's perfect for this time of the year. And I just find that it really does stretch and move as my body moves. The other brand that I love is SPANX. I know SPANX is a bit of an investment, but in my opinion, totally worth the money because their clothing actually fits my body the way that I want it to. And there's built-in shapewear in all of their clothing items. So if you aren't familiar with Spanx, they are so much more than shapewear. They have a ton of different types of clothing now. They always have a sale on. Be sure to check out their sale page. But the thing that I like about Spanx denim, first of all, it's available in 3 lengths: petite, regular, and tall. I have a 27-inch inseam, so I always opt for petite. Although sometimes now I'm finding petite, in depending on the brand, they include like a 30-inch inseam as petite. I don't think that's a petite, at least not for me. So I have just gotten used to I got to get my pants tailored because they're just too darn long. But anyways, if you want to try the Spanx denim, just know that they do fit on the smaller size. So I usually opt for a 2X for their denim because once they're on, it can be a little bit of a Spanx shimmy to get them on, but once they're on, they're very, very comfortable. Again, they move with your body. And I kid you not, I can be wearing a pair of their jeans for like 8-10 hours, and I go to have my shower in the evening and I'm thinking, I totally forgot I was wearing jeans today. They really, truly are that comfortable. Another brand that's worth a mention is Old Navy. They do really make some nice denim. I also like Wit and Wisdom, and NYDJ is another brand. So even though I don't wear a lot of denim, I have tried these brands over the years, and those are the ones that I stick to. So if you have a favorite pair of denim jeans, let us know in the comment, and let's help each other out with our favorite brands that work for us ladies. Another thing that we wear that can be very aging are basic tees with no shape or structure. And I'm talking about those thin, stretched out tees that just hang straight down. They're boxy. Maybe they got holes in them. They are not doing us a favor, ladies. They age us because they flatten your shape, they look tired, and they can make us end up looking sloppy. And that is not the kind of vibe that we are trying to present to the world whenever we're getting dressed every day. In order to look current and modern, we're going to swap out the tattered tees for V-necks, ribbed fabric, or lightly tailored tops. You want to look for fabric that has light shaping, like this ribbed tee from Spanx. I love this tee. It's available in a lot of different colors. I do wish they would make more V-necks though. They tend to make a lot of crew necks, and I'm more of a V-neck type girl. But anyways, I'm bringing this tee to your attention because it's always on sale. First of all, the quality is excellent. But when I put this tee on, it actually gives my body a gentle hug, and it's smoothing everything out. And this is one of my favorite finds so far this year from Spanx, is their ribbed tees. Now, if that's a little more money than what you want to spend, I did recently find this one on Amazon. It's by the brand Pretty Garden, which makes some pretty reasonably priced and good quality clothing. And they also have tees, and I own this light blue one. So if you're just looking for a basic tee, you don't want to spend a lot of money, check out this one from Amazon. But if you want to invest maybe a little bit more money, and I'm not talking about like a lot more money, because this tee, I know some of them are on sale right now and you can pick them up very reasonably. But this is going to last forever. Like if you wash it and then hang it to dry, which is what I do, I don't put this type of clothing in the dryer, you're going to have these for years. Now, lots of times, we get dressed, we look in the mirror, but a lot of times, I know I'm guilty of this, I don't look down and look at what I'm wearing on my feet. So outdated shoe styles can weigh a really nice outfit down. So old-fashioned shoes with heavy or dated silhouettes can really age your outfit, because your shoes set the tone for your whole outfit. And if they feel and look clunky or dated, everything else is going to as well. So how do we fix this? Opt for sleek sneakers, simple loafers, pointed flats, or clean ankle boots with a modern shape. So for example, if you have a nice, say, dress on, I like the look of a dress with runners. But don't wear your Hokas or the shoes that you wear to exercise in. Instead, invest in a pair of sleek white sneakers. And, I have some Paul Green sneakers and I also have these Dr. Scholl sneakers, and I really love both. Both are very comfortable. And I think that they both look really nice with shorts, jeans, dresses. They're just low profile, they're plain. And I think anytime that you want to wear sneakers with an outfit, don't go for anything too flashy, but just something nice and simple and plain. And you're going to have that for years. So just by swapping out, clunky sneakers that we exercise in for sleek sneakers, you can see the side by side comparison, how it just elevates the same outfit. If you're enjoying my video, please help me out. Click the subscribe button, give this video a like. It's really going to help my channel. Thank you. Now, this next one may not be something that's on our radar all of the time, and I'm talking about shiny, clingy fabric. So polyester blends that highlight everything. And we know that we should try and stay away from polyester because the fabric doesn't breathe, but it's hard to, right? Especially if we want more affordable clothing. Unfortunately, a lot of it is made from polyester. So polyester can age us because they tend to cling to our body, show our lumps and bumps, and they tend to reflect light in unflattering ways. And I have seen this whenever I've watched videos back, whenever I'm editing, and say I'm wearing something that might be a little more shiny fabric, it just kind of like brings attention to, say, my belly. Whereas if I was wearing a pair of pants that was maybe more cotton or a better quality fabric, the light doesn't hit those areas. So how do we fix this problem? Well, look for matte, breathable fabrics like cotton, linen blends, and soft knits. Now I'm going to show you an example just so you can see what I'm talking about. On the one side, you can see this set from Quince, which I absolutely love. And if you're Canadian, Quince is now shipping to Canada. They have a Canadian website. The price you see is what you pay. Free shipping, free returns. I've returned things, no issues whatsoever. So the Quince outfit, I really like it. And it's a pretty good recreation of some Frank and Eileen pieces, which are, an investment. But I've had them for years and I love them too. But you can see that the Quince set, the material tends to be a little bit shinier than the Frank and Eileen set, which is matte. So they're both great outfits. I wear them both. I love them both. But I'm just bringing this to your attention that you can see for yourself that fabric that is maybe not as luxurious can tend to, be shiny and bring attention to areas that maybe we'd prefer not to show. Does that make sense? So I think when you can see the two examples side by side, it just kind of helps to cement it up in here. And you're like, yeah. So maybe, if you have an area of your body that you don't want to bring attention to, that you prefer to camouflage it, just kind of keep that in mind next time you're shopping. Now, this next one can age us, and it's something that, when researching this video, I thought, wow, that's something, I don't really think a lot about, but it does make sense. And I'm talking about harsh, busy color combinations. So overly loud contrast or chaotic color mixing can be aging for us ladies over 50 because they overwhelm your features and they look visually heavy. So what's a better vibe? Look for soft tonal outfits, monochrome dressing, or gentle pairings like navy and cream or denim and white. Am I saying to never ever wear fun colors? Absolutely not. I love to wear color. I think that it's really important to, put color into our outfits. But just be mindful when you're getting dressed. Just, take an extra 5 seconds and look in the mirror. And if you look in the mirror and you think, wow, I really like this look, go for it. But if you're looking in the mirror and you're thinking something doesn't feel right, I find that's my intuition telling me that maybe I should try something else. So now that we've got to the end of my video, I have a bonus for you that I have found to be very true. And I think that a lot of us, especially as we age, we tend to shy away from showing any skin. So covering everything from neck to ankle can actually make you feel heavy, dated, and sometimes larger than what you are. It ages us because it hides our shape and it removes lightness from our look. So I have an easy fix for all of us ladies. You want to show skin strategically. I want you to show as much skin as you feel comfortable doing. We are all different. We all have different comfort levels. So do what feels the best for you. I recommend showing your forearms, showing your collarbone, showing your ankle, because all of these can give a more modern look. And by showing a little bit of skin, it just helps to break things up. So if you're wearing like long sleeves all the time, but say you push your sleeves up and you put a nice bracelet on, you can see the example that I'm showing you side by side. It kind of draws attention to your wrist, which is the smallest part of your arm. And it's taking the attention away from the rest of your body. So just showing a little bit of skin, even with a V-neck, maybe unbutton your top, just one button or however comfortable you are showing. And if you haven't been tanned, you could use like bronzer or you could use self-tanner. Bronzer is our friend. Never underestimate a good bronzer. Just use it to gently go all over your face like I have done today. I'm just wearing my tinted sunscreen, some bronzer, some blush, bringing it down the neck. You don't want any muddy look, so make sure that you really blend things. And it's just going to give you a little bit of a glow. And anytime we have a little bit of a glow, we just look refreshed and not so maybe tired as you might be feeling if you don't sleep a lot. Because once you get to be a certain age, we get insomnia, and sleep is something that we all, I think, miss. If you recognize even one of these things in your closet, do not feel bad. You are not alone. We are all guilty of making at least one of these mistakes. Tell me in the comments which one are you guilty of making and which one are you going to swap out and try the more modern way. And if you want more real lifestyle tips that actually work for us women over 50, be sure to click that subscribe button. It's 100% free and I upload videos twice a week, Sundays and Thursdays. And in the meantime, meet me over at this video. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.